Hello students, in this video of ours, we are going to learn about the subphylum Vertebrata of phylum Chordata. In our earlier videos, we have learned that the phylum Chordata is divided into three subphylums, Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Urochordata and Cephalochordata together can also be called Protochordata. So we have studied about urochordata and cephalochordata, where the notochord is present, but vertebral column is not present. So that's why they are called invertebrates. Whereas the subphylum Vertebrata consists of the organism where the vertebral column is present. So in subphylum Vertebrata, all organisms are having vertebral column. That's why they are called vertebrates. Now, this vertebrata, the phylum Vertebrata, subphylum Vertebrata of phylum Chordata is consisting of all the organisms where the vertebral column is present. So here the notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. This is the main characteristic feature of the organism members of subphylum Vertebrata. So here you will find vertebral column in all the organisms and the notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. Now this subphylum Vertebrata can be further divided into two divisions, and these divisions are Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Basically, this division of subphylum Vertebrata into two is based on the presence or absence of jaws. So, Gnatha is the word which means jaws, and Agnatha is the division where jaws are not present. So, organisms in Agnatha division, we will find the organisms which are not having jaws, whereas in Gnathostomata, we will find the organisms which are having jaws. So subphylum Vertebrata can be divided into two divisions based on the presence or absence of jaws. So first division is Agnatha. In Agnatha, it includes the most primitive vertebrates because these are the vertebrates which have evolved from the invertebrates. So they are the most primitive vertebrates and they are not having jaws. They are without jaws. Division Agnatha is including only one class and that class is called Cyclostomata. So Cyclostomata is the class which is present in the division Agnatha. Now cyclostomata, cyclo means the circular. So circular mouth. So these organisms are having circular mouths. They are jawless and eel-like animals. If you have seen eel, you must have seen the pictures of eel. So they are eel-like structure, a long cylindrical structure. Skin is soft, smooth, containing unicellular mucus glands. Here you will not find any scales, unlike fish. In fish, you find the scales on the skin of the fish, but here the skin is soft and smooth, and it is consisting of unicellular mucus glands, and scales are not present. Median fins are present, but paired fins are absent. If you recollect the diagram of fish, when fish we see the paired fins. We see the paired fins in the fish, pectoral and pelvic fins. But in case of cyclostomata, median fin is present. That means in the middle, the median fin is present, paired fins are absent. So here you will find the median fins. They are ectoparasites. Ectoparasites means they are parasite to the host and they are externally. The ecto means externally. So they are sticking to their parasite outside, externally. That's why they are called ectoparasites. So for being ectoparasites, they should have a sucking structure. So this sucking structure is their mouth. So they have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws, because they don't need jaws, because they are parasite and they are ectoparasite. So on their host, they suck the nutrition from the host through their sucking and circular mouth, which is not having jaws. So sucking and circular mouth is the characteristic feature of cyclostomata, and they are ectoparasite. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. That means the bones are not present, cartilagine is present. Cartilaginous endoskeleton is present. And digestive system like stomach. Why? Because they need not be digesting the food. They are taking the digested food from their host. So in their digestive system, this stomach is not required. Digestion is not required. Intestine is present, but not the stomach. Now, the respiration is by 5 to 16 pairs of gill slits. So, gill slits are present. That is the characteristic feature of chordates. Heart is two-chambered. Heart is not four chambers like us. It is two-chambered. Gonad is single and large without gonoduct. Gonad is what? The reproductive organ, which is single. That means the sexes are separate, and fertilization is external. Fertilization is taking place, the fusion of male and female gamete is taking place outside the bodies. That's why it is external. An example is petromyzon, that is lamprey, and myxine, that is hagfish. These are the example of cyclostomata. See, you will find the circular mouth with the suckers, and lamprey is having sucks. It sucks also, and the gill openings are present. Then the body is elongated, and you will find a median fin. See, you can find only one fin, which is in the middle of the body. You will not find the paired fins. You will find the median fin, and elongated cylindrical body, primitive. The body is not having bones. It is endoskeleton is cartilaginous. So this is the characteristics of cyclostomata.